This is the Benici 16-piece premium artist brush set, and it comes in this nice case. And when you open it up, wow, look how nice you get all these different brushes. You get it from flat, angular, round, liner, and so much more too. And you also get this sponge as well as this palette knife as well. Perfect. And let me show you a close-up of all the brushes that you get. Here's a close-up of what the sponge looks like. Here's a close-up of the palette knife. And here's a close-up of all these brushes. Aren't they beautiful? I love that it comes in this convenient carrying case, and when you're done, you can just zip it up. This is great for both kids as well as adults too, and it's perfect for watercolor, oil, and acrylic paint as well. These nylon bristles are very durable. They've been double clamped to assure not the bristles to fall out. And these are also very easy to clean as well. And also very easy to hold too. I was sent this from Benici and I think they are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.